Hi, and now we are here in Ojochal, in an area that is called Cinco Ventanas. We are visiting this house that we have been working for the last months. Look at this. Well, this is an amazing bag that we just found in our visit. But here you can find a really nice distribution of this house. This was designed for a client who wants to come to Costa Rica and live in the summer season and then go back to his country when it's like this in a rainy season. But for me, this is one of my favorite weathers. I love when it's raining like this, and obviously in a sunny day in this area you will see an amazing ocean view. But now you're going to see a lot of neblina. I don't know how to say neblina. I will search it soon. And a lot of rain around. Look at this. It's amazing. The sensation of the sound of the rain, just being immersed in this jungle called Costa Rica. So if you're looking for properties like this, if you want to build something here in Costa Rica, if you want this kind of finishings, if you want to know who are our providers, who are the people that we work with, just contact us. We want to make scenery with you. We want to show you how we love to do our work with excellence, with fair prices, with good quality finishings. Look at these details. For example, in the bathroom of the main room, you have all this space. And here you have a hot tub and a shower with an amazing ocean view. There you have the walk-in closet. And here you can go through this hall for the kitchen, the living room, the terrace, the swimming pool, and also to this secondary but not small. It's a secondary bedroom that is very spacious. With really nice finishings in its bathroom. Also, you will have the opportunity to enjoy the ocean view when you are taking a shower. And then when you are in your room, you will have the same ocean view and also the swimming pool. It's an amazing house. It's incredible. Sorry for the views today because we don't have the ocean view, But if you want to see the ocean view, just let me know. We can set an appointment. We can meet you here in a hotel in Uvita and give you the tour of your life, the tour that will let you find the right property for you with good location, with security, with all the permits already done. Just contact us and make some synergy.